Hi, my name's Andrea, and I was talking to my BFF Walter, and he was telling me about the Hag Dolls. We're doing a casting call for a new team member, and I thought to myself, hey, I could try for the Hag Dolls since I'm such a neat girl gamer.
Actually, I think it's Frag Dolls.
Are you sure? Actually, that makes more sense since Walter does have a speech impediment.
You motherfucker! Are you kidding me right now?
Oh, don't worry about it, Walter. You're still a gangster.
That's how I roll. What?
Okay. Anyways, let's just play some video games. Any way you want it, that's the way you need it. Any way you want it. She said, any way you want it, that's the way you need it. Any way you want it. I was alone, I was never new. What good love could do? Oh, then you be taught. Utilizes your wrist muscles and your phalanges, and it allows you to respond like 20% faster.
Flush him out, sir. We'll nail him with the 50.
So why is this Master Chief guy fighting these confident dudes anyways?
Oh,
What did they ever do to him?
You mean Covenant?
Whatevs.
Well, they're in a struggle to ensure the survival and independence of humanity.
Sounds like a lot of work. I got a message from my friends on Xbox Live. Let's see what it says. Hey baby, you got pics low. Ew! Nasty!
Human champion is killed.
Oh, what else? I died. Let's play Gears of War anyways. Oh my god. There's ass, blood, and guts everywhere. Gross. This game's totally boring. What's that name? Ooh, now that's me right there. I think I'm pawning. As you can see, I'm the perfect candidate for the next Frag Dolls. I'm photogenic, I'm awesome, I'm funny as hell, I'm also great at video games, but you don't have to take my word for it.
Whoa, that was weird.